Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matthew. In case you are new to the channel, welcome. We are here to talk about day trading and investing in different types of currencies, stocks, all that jazz. I'm the leader and founder of Chartpulse Trading. It's a free chat room to talk about those things. If that's something that interests you, click the first link in the description down below. So today is my second day in my new trading challenge, and we're profitable. So let's go back to our spreadsheet that we looked at for the first time. And here you can see my initial deposit of 0.01 is now turned into 0.0131, which is confirmed on my BitMEX account. And there it is, 31%. So it has been two trades, and I'll talk about today's trade right now. I sold too early, classic, but we did end up with about 15% profit, so you can't complain. I bought in originally at 69.15, right around here. I guess it would actually have been right here. I saw this close of the candle and thought we were about to tank going down this downtrend, right? So I thought we hit the peak of the downtrend and we were about to go down, but we ended up riding it up a little bit. And I had a sell order placed at 89 or 68.95, which is what I ended up selling at. And obviously it went down to about 68.35, but it was an interesting trade. I was getting nervous until I looked at my chart and saw that we were about tapped out here on the 5-minute into my sell zone or my short zone. I should have waited for that signal in order to even enter the trade, but I was getting rushed. I felt rushed because this was my first day trading since my move. So I wanted to take back what I lost in time over the weekend, so I jumped in, and I shouldn't have done that. But we're still in profit and making money, and it looks like now we're continuing in a downtrend. If we look at the 4-hour, that's what I was wanting to go to. You can, even on the daily, you can see that we're close to a bounce level here. 6,700 is really the prime number, I think. But any sort of touch off this line, we should see a nice little bounce back up into maybe the mid to low 7K range. So that's what I'm kind of looking for on the long term. But again, this is day two. If you want to join the challenge, join me in the Discord below. If you want to learn how to trade like I do, or even if you just want to be able to get like my indicators in order to like see this is about to start tanking, right? That's available to the Chartpulse Trading students, which is the second link in the description. And I look forward to seeing you all in the chat room. And if you're liking this new trading series, I'm going to be doing some live streams soon, hopefully tomorrow. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to growing our accounts together. Peace.